Great, well I'm here today with Shaun Baldwin, and Shaun Baldwin is the face of Factor 4, and we're going to have a talk to Shaun today about what the Factor 4 is, so, which is really exciting because it's kind of like rejuvenation without injectables, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, what we're trying to do, and I talk about this really passionately, but I want the foundation, the skin, to be the masterpiece of who we are. I mean, our skin tells us if we look good or not, if we look old, if we look young. So what I want to be is the face of every face, in terms of everyone can have their Factor 4 and have the skin looking phenomenal, and then you can build other things into it. But it's a natural way of repairing collagen, being able to lay down new collagen, increase the fat pads that we lose as we get older, the aging process, and to be in our best skin every single day, Factor 4.
Yeah. So basically, because I've seen it being done, it's like the Kim Kardashian vampire lift.
Yeah, look, I kind of squirm as you say that, but I mean, what we're doing essentially is we're doing that, but in a much gentler way, with less downtime, but in a much more purified way. Factor 4 is a treatment that is completely autologous, so it's your blood. We can getting your blood, getting your plasma, converting your plasma into serum that's got a 4 to 10-fold increase of your growth factors and your cytokines. And then we put those back into your skin. We either skin needle those back in using the M-derma or some kind of skin needling device, or we can inject it subdermal, intradermally into wherever we need to put it.
Okay, so basically you draw the blood from the patient, it goes through a centrifuge system?
No, so we take the blood from the patient into a tube, that tube then goes into an incubator at 37 degrees, and we increase or synthesize a white blood cell called the monocyte. And that has the ability to increase 4 to 10-fold those growth factors and those cytokines that we need to help our skin to fight the aging process.
So how long is the downtime?
Look, everyone's different, Trish, and I can have a treatment which I did a couple of weeks ago, and I posted it. I did 1.75 on my forehead as a depth skin needling with Factor 4, which is very, very deep. I'm not suggesting anyone do that, but my skin, I can push it quite hard. I bounce back within 5 or 6 hours. I could put mineral-based makeup on or a Leica gel type product and go out into the world, and nobody would know. So the average person, I would say, overnight. And the next day you can put on some makeup, you're off, you wouldn't even know what's going on.
Well, I saw your picture a couple of days later, I thought, there is no real downtime. I mean, there might be that day.
Remember, I've been doing Factor 4 for 3 years now, so I don't use Botox, I've got no filler on my face, it's just Factor 4. I'm 10 weeks off turning 50, and that's a big deal because, halfway through my life, but I want to be in my best skin every single day. So now that I've been doing Factor 4 on a regular part of what I do yearly in my treatment transformation of my skin, I'm doing 4 to 6 treatments annually, and I do those every 5 to 10 days apart for that duration. So my skin's in really good health. The pH is really, really healthy. I'm using phenomenal skincare as well. I live in Queensland, I've got to make sure I've got sunblock on wherever I go. So just taking precautions and doing all the right things. Yeah,
and it's true. We all know that the most important thing to looking youthful is having good skin. There's no doubt about it.
Look, I was lucky enough to be in Milan in January doing a huge presentation, and I went into this building and I looked in the room, and I looked around the room, and it was the most amazing chandeliers and architraves and the wallpaper and everything was on point. And I went out to the concierge, and this was where I was staying in the hotel, and I said, when was the hotel built? It was built in the 12th century.
Wow. So it's just
if your skin is in good condition, no one can tell how old you are on the inside. And that's my mantra in life, is making sure that everyone's got their best skin possible. Hence the camouflage behind us. So having horrible looking skin and moving into smooth as silk.
Exactly. Well, thank you so much for that.
Thank you. Good to see you.
So if you're looking for someone who does the Factor 4 treatment, you can drop us an email to help@plasticsurgeryhub.com.au. Otherwise, you can go to the website and look under the non-surgical treatments and you'll find the Factor 4. Thanks, Shaun.
Thank you, team. Have a good conference.
Thank you. You too.